what's the right word? Exhausted, because vlogging and cooking, I don't know how they do it, but kudos to you guys. This whole journey of cooking and vlogging, it's a whole lot. Last time I post a cooking videos, I did the preparation and my mother was the one who did the cooking, but this time around it is just me vlogging, preparing and cooking. It's a whole lot of drama. But yeah, let me chop my onion. Something. Making long hair. It's very, I don't know how to explain it, but it's so discomforting. This thing touching my neck is something else. So I'm done bathing. Alright, so like I'm now putting on my microphone. I don't know if it will hear me. So like just pardon with me. Yeah. Okay, so like I said, I was going to talk to you guys about something very important. Looking for a gist to give you. And what came to my mind was your circle. Like, who are the people in your circle? That is very important. Who are the people that you keep in your circle and outside your circle? The people you keep in your circle are very, very important compared to the ones outside. I feel like anything in the circle and outside the circle is important. So, line that separates what is inside of the circle and outside of the circle is your boundaries. So, what exactly do you see in a particular person that make you, oh, this person, I will permit you to be in my circle, or oh, I don't want it to be in my circle, and all of that. So, like, your circle is important. You need to have people that share the same value with you in your circle. You don't want people that would come to change your value or what God has or what God plan is for you. You need people that your mentors are to be in your circle, your family are to be in your circle, friends that share the same values with you are to be in your circle, because there are sometimes that you will be down and you just need to call up that mentor and they talk to you to boost you. Sometimes they call your friends and they boost you up, and sometimes you're walking out of track, or will I say you're walking out of line, and then the only thing you can do at that moment is to call that one friend that you know that, okay, if I tell this my friend what I'm going through and they speak to you, and then you're coming back on track, or your mentor, you understand. So yeah, your circle is very important. So take this from me: you set boundaries for letting people in your circle, and you still have to choose people outside of your who are to be within, or will I say outside of your circle. So your circle is very important. Okay, so yeah, take this from Vicky. Bye.
Who does a vlog and then comes from doing a nice skincare, and then all of a sudden I'm at my workplace. So like my current posting is a postnatal ward. I just got to our nursing changing room. Like right now I want to change and then sign in.